In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade multipliers on Deriv, which is one of the easiest ways to amplify your potential profits without risking more than your stake. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the options and then click the Deriv Trader as the platform where we are going to trade the multipliers. If you do, you will be forwarded to the Deriv trading platform itself. And as you may notice, all I have to do is hover on the top corner where you can see the multipliers. If you click the multipliers, this option lets you multiply your potential profit by 10 times, 20, 50, even up to 1,000 times, depending on the asset. Now, for the asset, on the drop-down menu, pick a market you trade. For example, let's say we are choosing a forex, cryptocurrencies, maybe commodities. It's up to you. But for example, we're going to choose forex and we are choosing the BTC to USD. All you have to do is set up the trade. Now, enter your stake here. For example, let's say we're going to put a specific amount. If you want to put a stop loss, it's okay. All right, click the save button. Now, this is the most important part. You choose up if you think the price will rise or go down if you think it will fall, and click the buy button. Remember, always use risk management tools. You can always set a stop loss to limit potential losses and set take profit to automatically secure your gains. Once you are happy, all I have to do now is click the buy button. Now, if you don't have insufficient balance, it's okay. You can simply deposit now. We have a separate video on how to deposit money here on your Deriv account. But for beginners, we highly suggest you use the demo account so you can place trade without any risk. And all I have to do is click the buy button. And that's it. Now you know how to trade multipliers on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.